What's up, guys? Well, we're about to go on YouTube. That's my channel. All right, I'm opening up a channel. It's my first video. What's this? Anyways, so first video we're gonna do a try not to laugh. Impossible clean. So we're all about clean, you know. And well, we're just gonna look for one that's funny. Oh, that's hot. This one looks hilarious. Alright, we're gonna open it up. Alright, that wasn't a laugh. Well, that was dumb. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, that had to hurt. That's not funny. Oh. Oh, God. At least that padding's there. Oh, I've done that before. Okay, then. Oh, we all know who's gonna lose. It's so obvious. It always happens to the older people. Oh. Oh, the food. Oh, well, that was a waste. A lot of money. What is this game? It's a pretty cool game. Oh, that dog. Oh. People and their stupid stuff. Well, we all know how this goes. Oh, oh my gosh. That poor kitty. Oh. Why is it always the older people that do the stupid stuff? Oh no. Oh, I lost. Oh my god. Ow. Well, that's how you stop it. Man, if I was that person driving the car, what in the world are you doing? I already saw this one. Think you can hit that? Loser. That would have been really cool if he actually did it. What? Oh. Oh my. Oh, well, that's a terrible father. Okay. Oh, ooh. Road rash. Oh. How's that snow taste? No, that's not how you're supposed to stop. That kid must have taken lessons from the other lady. Oh my. Must take lessons from that other guy that hit him in the face. And, well, that's just. Well, that's karma. She reaches out to get. Oh. What in the world is going on? Oh no. Oh no. Imagine how bad that hurts. Ooh, if there was a stick that just went up his butt crack. What was that old man doing? Tuck and roll. Nope. That kid. Oh gosh. Oh, that dad. It's terrible. No, what are you doing? Oh my. Oh no, poor puppy. So, you guys are gonna learn a lot that I like hippos, unicorns, and basically any type of animal. Oh, come on, puppy. There you go. There you go. Oh, well, we all know who that kid. Oh man. Ooh, that's. Oh. Always the nerdy kids trying to do cool stuff. You can totally see that that kid is definitely a dork. Oh, look at the. Oh my gosh. That fake sympathy. How are you at a playground in the snow? I mean, that sounds fun. Oh, I missed it. What happened? Oh, what a loser. Loser. Oh. Oh, taking lessons from that other nerdy kid. Nerds trying to be cool. What was that face? Oh, did you guys see that face? Hold on. Oh. What in the world is that face, though? Ooh, the split. Oh, nice. Look at a split. Loser. Stupid ads. No, I don't care. No, you're not gonna make it. Oh no. I wouldn't worry about the kid. I would worry about the floor. Kid's fine. Look, some more ads. What is that? Why your butt crack? I think your whole butt is. Oh no, it is in your butt crack. Okay. What are kids' obsessions with butt cracks? All right. Well, that was my first video. Thank you for watching. Yeah. See y'all in the next video.